What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video, coming to you from this new rocket ship of an F-350 I've got now that we did the downpipe, and we're following behind a pretty sweet dually Super Duty over there. It's just a little too bad it's in rental car silver. And everybody on my Instagram the other day seemed to really get a kick out of the fact that there is toilet paper in my truck. I don't know if you guys have ever been inside of a porta potty or like a gutted house that has a toilet, or like an abandoned house or something that you're working in, and there's no toilet paper, or there's really crappy toilet paper. Trust me, one of the best things you can do is carry a roll of some nice, soft Charmin. But in all seriousness, I actually have noticed a pretty decent power gain now that we swapped out to a 3-inch downpipe. Now, one issue I'm noticing is, and you guys can probably hear it, you can actually hear it idling through the floor. I don't know if that made a whole lot of sense, but you can actually, like, I can tell you exactly in the floor from inside the cab, it was that we cut the firewall to run the downpipe. And we've got a little vibration, which tells me that the downpipe is touching the cab. So I don't know exactly what we're gonna do to remedy that. Probably not gonna do anything, but I think maybe like heat wrapping the entire downpipe, if we can actually get in there and get some on, would probably alleviate most of those issues. What's the password?
Jola.
What's up, Wes?
What's up?
That's a good looking shirt, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey, you ever been a model?
No, can't say I have.
Well,
I'm in the market for an agency to pick me up for this forehead.
There you go.
I feel like they could put a lot of advertisement on it.
So today me and Wes are going to head over to an audio shop. I guess Wes knows a bunch of the guys over there. And one thing I really want to get built for the 7.3 is I want to have a custom center console made. Because obviously, like, you guys see my bench seat area, the useless cup holders on the 7.3, it's just, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Nothing sits in those cup holders because they're about that deep. Everything goes flying out. Whereas in the Denali over here, they kind of, you know, like, this is the ideal center console setup. You've got nice deep cup holders and a giant open cavity right here for all the crap that I always like to store in there. And then obviously like a nice functioning lid area. So I would love to get something similar built for the 7.3. Now I've seen guys that'll take different models of newer Super Duties and put them in their trucks, and it works decently. But to buy a used center console out of a truck, like, that's probably just as expensive, if not more expensive, than having one custom built. So that's kind of what we're gonna go do today, is see about getting one custom built for the 7.3, see if it's worth the price, or, you know, if it's not, maybe we just end up building it ourselves. Come on in, Wes. I got all kinds of packages for you, buddy.
Is this your black belt? Is that Dave's black belt?
Yeah, bro, it's Dave's black belt. Yo, what up, bro? We're ready for you. You ready?
Hell yeah.
We're gonna take care. You're gonna take care of my Hummer.
Oh yeah.
I need those for my SEMA Tahoe. What are those? 26s?
Yeah.
There you go.
That's
Perfect.
the size you're gonna use.
Those are them, right?
305 30 26 rubber band.
There's not a lot of rubber on that. That's your style right there, dude. Wes grew up Florida raised. Tell everybody about your Avalanche, bro.
They already know. A lot of people from the channel know. If you go back on my Instagram, you'll see it. I ain't have no Forgiatos. Like, I couldn't afford those.
Wes is gangster, guys. I don't think you guys know how gangster Wes is. I mean, he takes me to, like, where we at? Ronnie's Autoland?
The place to go.
Well, yeah, apparently.
The best shop in San Diego
For audio?
Pretty much.
Well, dude, I see a bunch of wheels. Let's go inside. Let's go check this place out. I already spotted it. Need some big ass subs. Yeah, the little baby subs over here. I need these. Good Lord.
This is a rare earth magnet motor. These are neodymium.
All right, what's the cost on this, Wes?
Probably 2 or 3 grand.
Out the door right now.
Probably 2 or 3 grand. The voice coil, it's
Crazy
like
voice
5
coil.
or 6 inch diameter.
Pick it up, bro. Let's see.
If it was a
Pick it up. This
ferrite-
thing's the size of your forehead, dude.
If it was a ferrite motor, it would weigh double.
Oh, how many farads does this thing have?
Ferrite.
Well, you can't have farads and farads.
Ferrite is like magnet, like iron ferrous magnet.
What's farads?
Farads is capacitance. It's an electrical term. Ferrite.
Iridium.
Ferrite.
Yeah.
Ferrite.
Ferrite.
Is regular like this magnet.
What about ferret?
Ferret is a fucking little animal that you look like.
Easy. Forehead the size of this big ass sub. We'll put this, dude. Let's make this my center console right here. Right? So, for everybody on my YouTube channel that wants to know, how much is the price on one of these?
Shit. Yeah, like 3 grand.
If you have to ask, you can't afford it or what?
Good luck getting them.
What do you mean good luck getting them? You guys got 2 right here.
They're already sold.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, and they can't make more, supposedly.
Really?
Yeah, those are only 2 built.
Dang. So you're saying 3,200. This one's mine?
Oh, I'll make it happen.
Wes, they're kind of pooping on my trophy shelf, man. Look at all these trophies. Dang.
All those guys at the shows come here. That's what.
Oh, they drop the trophies off once you guys win it for them?
I don't know what they do with their trophies. These are half of mine.
Dang. All right, all right. Wes got a third place trophy. Can he drop it off here?
Yeah, you can drop it off.
There you go.
They don't have the amount of energy as a battery, but they can discharge way faster than a battery because the internal resistance.
So the power
is
goes
much-
into the capacitor from the batteries,
Right.
and then it
gets
stores it
filled
up a
with-
little bit?
It stores the energy.
Okay.
And then it can release it instantaneously.
for that sub hit or whatever.
Well, for like, yes, as the base hits, the amp is going to draw the DC current and then amplify it. Well, it takes the DC current to power the amplifier, which is already an AC audio signal, and it outputs an AC audio signal that's amplified a lot. But these can release the energy way faster than a battery.
Well, this one's
That's
3,000 farads. Is that good?
I mean, that's about the best you're going to find.
Oh, well then, all right. I'm gonna need some 3,000 farad, like 50 of these to go with my 24-inch subs
It has
over
to be
there.
in sets of 6, because you have to make a bank. So each one of
Give
these
me
is
24 of those. This is Wes's like, this is his world right here. Look at, he's getting all excited.
sky high. Put it in there. Sky high, sky high, sky high. They're like the largest audio shop like buyer of like.
And in case you're wondering, Wes has touched everything he's walked past in here.
Well, I'm not.
Literally, like every wire Wes has to touch.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking.
He's
for
not
some,
quite like Sky yet. He hasn't sniffed it.
I'm looking for some 18 gauge.
You want it to come right under here, right?
Yeah, so I just want super clean center console, nice armrest. If we could put a little
Yeah,
somewhere.
flap. That's not a problem.
Yes.
You want a compartment with the flap?
Yeah. I want it all like one. I want it to look like kind of like a modern truck, like
Yeah, I
the regular center console on a modern truck. And then yeah, just die up into here. We could pull, put a cigarette lighter in it.
And you just using it for USB?
Well, so I replaced cigarette lighter with the USB, but we made the mistake of pulling USB power from this.
Okay.
So it's got no fucking power. It sucks. It doesn't.
Okay.
It charges a phone in fucking 10 hours.
No, that's terrible.
Yeah. So if we can replace it with even a cigarette lighter, is better.
What if I got you just USB slots on the inside?
If they're full power?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's tits.
You gonna clean the trash out too? This thing is a.
Easy, Wes. Easy.
Nah, I'm tired of climbing this thing and not have no fucking room.
Well, if we have a center console where I could put stuff, you know what I'm saying?
So more trash?
Yeah.
So he just needs one of them big like 50-gallon trash cans in this bitch.
I'll make
Yeah, take the seat out and put a big trash can. As long as it's got an armrest on it, I'll be happy.
We'll put waste management right on the back.
There you go. There you go. Cool USB cable in there. My biggest thing is like some
Cup
big
holders.
cup holders.
You want to see what my cup holders look like?
Yeah, let's go check out your cup holders. Bet they're better than Wes's cup holders.
Yeah, right. I got a high country.
Yeah, look at that. It's gonna be looking like Wheezy, dude.
Stainless steel.
Right?
Surgical grade.
Yeah.
We can do two in the front, two in the back. I think it's $300.
All right.
$299.99. DD audio D4 75 4-channel. I mean, size of your average cell phone, I guess.
You got a big ass phone, dude. You also got the one that's the size of Wes's forehead right there, so that's good to know.
2 Gs.
So I figure, since they're already gonna be tearing into the OBS, I had some speakers put in a long time ago. They sound like crap. Well, we turned it up halfway right now and it's distorted.
Yeah, it was awful. Sound terrible.
So we got some audio pros now that are gonna take care of it. I mean, this might be our ticket, right?
Beautiful designs right there. That's high quality stuff. What's in those? 6x8?
6.5 components.
What do they put in those from the factory? 6x8?
So those are 5x7, 6x8. So we'll have to do a little bit of trim.
What is that?
Massive crossover.
How many ferrets is that? No ferrets?
No ferrets.
No, I want the ferrets.
Oh, you want the ferrets?
Yeah,
We got,
we gotta get all the ferrets.
I got all the ferrets.
Yeah, we gotta put some ferrets in there while we're there.
Right there.
Oh,
Access Power Super Cap, 3,100 ferrets.
dang. Wes, that's gonna be better than your truck, dude. Give me that stuff. I want that. I want to crap on Wes with my old work truck.
That's one ferret, one whole ferret.
Yeah, that's a whole ferret. I heard I gotta be in 6s.
Yeah, and 6s. So here's your bank of 6. Different brands, same concept.
That's all right.
There you go.
Look at that. 6-pack of ferrets.
Super capacitors. This is a limitless brand. Same concept, same caps.
Not necessary.
Wes, this is too much. This is too much for what we're
don't
doing,
need
Wes.
that for your
This is a work truck, bro. What are you doing to me, Wes? Never take Wes with you to the auto shop. You're gonna be getting way more stuff than you need. I mean, just here for $3,200, we're throwing the 24-inch in, the work truck. I think it'll be good. Do we have to go with a box this big?
Bigger.
Oh, we gotta go bigger?
Yeah, about double that size.
Well, it's a good thing I got a long bed. We'll fit it in there.
That needs what, 8 to 10 cubes or something?
Plus, yeah. They said 10 on the small side.
Yeah.
10 cubic feet of air for
Yes.
this thing.
On the small side.
And that's after
That box
you
right
take into
there-
account port displays.
That red box is about 6 cubes net.
Good lord.
You got the 8 for you right there. Full go.
Oh, this thing's sick, dude. Look at that. It's got a roll bar on it.
Roll bar.
Yeah. Protected for work. Hold up. Beautiful. What is this?
The 0.8.
The amp to match that 24.
It's got somebody else's name on it though. I need Rhino on it.
Model 08.
Dang, can we do some transparent
inputs.
copper powder coating
How
on
many
this?
inputs?
Ooh,
4 1-aught inputs.
This is a battery or capacitor?
It's a battery.
This is a battery? Hey.
It's better than any other HEM.
That's equal to like 10 like high quality like Odysseys or excess power fucking
At least.
easily.
They're pulling 30K plus off of that one battery.
30,000 watts.
All right. What's the price of one of these?
Like 2,500, something like that.
You're replacing minimally 10, 50 to 80 pound battery. But you think of how much weight and space you're saving by putting this in there.
No,
No,
that's
these will charge and discharge at such
Way
a faster
faster.
rate.
now. Do they work with Milwaukee power tools?
They do not.
They do not. All right. Well, then.
Similar technology, but not quite.
Gotcha. Dude, that's a box of fireworks. What are you talking about?
That's the caps that we saw. They put them in an acrylic case, and that way you can put it under in your vehicle as
So
like
that's
a battery.
capacitor box. Comes out of battery.
Cap bank sealed and assembled
So
already.
this is not what the same thing we just looked at, right?
No.
This is completely.
This would work under the hood. The batteries, lithium doesn't like to be under the hood typically
Too much heat.
due to temperature, yeah.
I don't think I've ever been more confused looking at cool stuff as I have hanging out in here for 10 minutes. All right, we need like 10 of these.
Yeah, right.
For SEMA,
Yeah, for SEMA, dude. You guys have full sponsorship, right?
full sponsorship.
Full sponsorship, perfect.
If you took this thick piece of wire and you shorted it across those, you would almost disintegrate this piece of wire.
I don't believe you do it.
Send it. Full send.
Yeah, I don't believe you. For the channel, Wes, come on.
I promise.
Come on, Wes,
Hey,
for the
we're gonna
channel.
watch from over there.
Yeah. So while I was here, I got sold on. Not only are we building a center console for the Ford, but we're doing full audio system on it because I guess why not? So apparently we're getting the next version up of these. But what are these?
These are the DD Audio EX 5x7s.
And we're going with the
The DX version.
DX version.
So the higher 5x7. Then we're also doing the previously shown amp D4 70x75.
Nice.
Super small and efficient, great sounding amp.
What's the sub amp?
Yeah, what are we doing for subs?
Sub we're gonna add
Get in the audio game with Wes. We're gonna have some competitions now.
the DM 500x1 with the bass knob up front.
Nice.
Full DD build. DD Audio's out here killing the game.
There you go. Do I get a sponsorship, DD Audio, wherever you guys are at? Sub?
8-inch sub. We're gonna talk to them and see what we can get going for you guys.
Nice, nice. And then we're going to integrate it into the center console we're building.
Absolutely, it's gonna be a full center console build, and amps will be stashed and hidden.
Wes, I'm getting in your game, bro. Are you excited?
You're gonna give me that itch again. And then
Yeah, I don't want nothing to do with whatever your stuff costs. Yeah, dude, dang, we get to choose the color on the sub. This is a whole different audio world than I've ever been in. We do red, white, and blue like your sick wheel display right here. I like this. I like this. We need this at the shop. It's like we got full sub customization. This is a whole different world, Wes. I love your world, man. This world's fun.
it is.
Look at that.
Change your color,
Endless
whatever you want.
What's the? I mean, it's kind of
Yellow?
orange. No,
Oh,
what's the orange? That's not copper enough. We don't want that. I
feel
feel
like
like white's gonna get dirty in the truck. I don't hate that look.
This is what they call their wet carbon because it's a little glossier.
I like that. Well, guys, I think today I learned you don't take Wes with you to go to an audio store.
Pressure's a motherfucker.
Jeez.
Nah, did I really do anything to you?
Nah, I mean, it's all stuff that the truck needed.
You
Like
wanted
I said, I had some speakers put in a long time ago, and they just sound like, you get it to about halfway volume, sounds like crap. There you go, right there. That's what it sounds like. I was showing them earlier. We're gonna upgrade the speakers in the truck. We're gonna build a complete new center console that's gonna like integrate up into somewhere in here. And honestly, that's like what I'm most excited about because I'm just sick of these useless cup holders in the Ford. Anytime you stop, everything just goes flying out. And I can't store that many wrappers in there. So I need somewhere where I can store all my candy wrappers from snacking. And I think that's gonna be a huge upgrade. Plus we're gonna get an 8-inch sub in there. Like, I don't know guys, I think I'm treating the Ford a lot better than I treat the old BBB build. So Wes, you wanna go to the candy warehouse?
Yeah, why not?
We got a big poker game coming up for tokens over at the warehouse. And we got to make sure we restock. Let's go to the candy store. Well, Wes, we just spent a day in your world. Now we're gonna spend a day in my world.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The candy store?
We're at the candy warehouse, buddy. Let's go get it done. Let me show you. Yeah, we need a cart.
Yeah, right.
Wait, you don't think we need a cart?
I don't know how much you want to get a forklift for the pallet?
Yeah, dude. We gotta stock up.
Cool. You know the jungle has its rules, and I just gotta keep it cool. And I'll be treated like a tool. So don't be acting like a fool.
What's your favorite in here, Wes?
Honestly, what I could just eat all day long, and they never have them here because they're the best, is the milk chocolate with the almond kisses. I could probably eat this bag.
Squeeze, Wes. Squeeze. Think skinny. Think skinny.
No.
Let me move this for you.
You gotta turn the key on.
All right, Wes. You got this, buddy. And this is how we get kicked out. Dang, Wes. Looking chubby. So much for that diet, huh, buddy?
Yeah, pretty much. Oh, you got the Cheez-Its?
Oh, dude.
You snuck those in there for me?
I got you, buddy, man. I take care of my boys.
Damn, I didn't even know.
With that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. I'm really excited to see what's to come for the center console build for the OBS, because it's just literally my worst part about the truck. The thing I hate the most about this truck is the center console. So hopefully we can get that all taken care of. We got some snacks for the warehouse. Dave's gonna be happy. That means maybe he'll come around more. We got a sweet poker game going on tomorrow. Wes, you want to say anything to your fam?
Thank you for all the support. I appreciate it.
As always, if you guys have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to
Work for it.
You guys are the best.
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah.